Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix cannot send message. MMS messaging needs to be enabled to send this message. Let me tell you that when you try to send the picture to iMessage, it's not working for you guys, and what you need to do guys, just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the setting first and make sure that you're properly connected with the internet. Let me tell you that if you're using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data. Okay guys, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to tap on general and also make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version. Go back and just simply have to scroll it down and just simply have to tap on messages. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to use your phone number instead of email address. Scroll it down. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to turn this toggle off and just simply have to turn it on again. So after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on keep messaging and just simply have to tap on forever. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down and you can easily see a low quality image mode. So just simply have to turn this toggle off if it's turned on. Okay guys, just simply have to turn this toggle off and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.